Hey, Taslimul Hasan here, a professional web designer and developer. In this quick video, I will show you how you can install WordPress on cPanel using Softaculous apps installer. This will be a very quick video. We will install WordPress to our domain camerabytes.com. For doing so, let's go to cPanel and click on the Softaculous app installer. If you don't find it, just search it on the search bar, Softaculous apps installer, and click WordPress. Now select the domain where you want to add the WordPress. We selected camerabytes.com. Now put your site name and description here. On the right, you can see the admin account information. Here you need to put your account information to access the WordPress dashboard. Now scroll down. You can choose the language. The default language is English. From here you can add the plugins. If you click any plugins, it will automatically install to the WordPress. You can skip these advanced options and you can skip these theme options. We can select the themes inside the WordPress. Now let's install the WordPress. The WordPress has been installed successfully. You can access it by clicking here. You can see the WordPress has been installed and you can access the dashboard by writing /admin after the link and put the login information that is saved earlier. So this is the dashboard of our WordPress sites. You can see the URL is camerabytes.com/wp-admin, and from here you can change the themes, add plugins to make this website more professional. Thank you for watching this video. Please check our other videos. If you want to learn WordPress, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel.